Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about setting the TI screens, so the teach-in screens, and this applies to either the FendtOne or the older screens as well in the tractor. But to set them properly for a round baler, namely the going into the row sequence, there's been some questions asked, so this video will go through that. So here's a typical example of a sequence that you would put into your teach-in when you're working with a round baler. You can see that once we start driving forward, we hit our go button and then it will start our PTO, and 1 second later it will rev us up to our saved throttle number 1. So you would put that as your PTO speed that you want, you know, basically 2000, 2100 RPM on your tractor, and you set that accordingly to whatever you want for your PTO speed. Then a 5-second delay, and then we're going to go and engage cruise control 1, which will be whatever your in the row baling speed is. The question that has come up from quite a few customers is there a way to put in an automatic there so that it would just lower your pickup for you at the same time, or that you could put the pickup in at the end of the sequence here? The problem with adding your pickup in there into that sequence is once you've set that hydraulic, so say we're going to use the red remote, once you've set that red remote to drop your baler pickup for 5 seconds, every time you touch that remote, it's going to function for 5 seconds. So if you're going along down the windrow and you encounter a rock or a stick or something that you want to lift over top of, if you have that time function programmed in there, you hit it and your pickup's going to lift all the way to the top, and then it's going to sit there for 5 seconds, and when you go to lower it, it's going to be the same thing. Probably a much better idea to just take that up and set it up on one of the fingertip switches, you know, down here on the fingertip switch, and then you have the ability to raise or to lower. And once you have it forced down, you can also push that to the end, and then you get that pickup where it's operating in float, so that your pickup gauge wheels can actually work accordingly, so the pickup will follow the contour of the land better for you, and it'll be a lot easier on your pickup. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.